Hello friends, welcome to my channel Progress with Professor Mahamani. First of all, I thank all the viewers and subscribers for your continuous support. Please subscribe my channel for updated videos, and please share this video to all your friends, those who are belongs to English department or English, those who are doing research in English language. Today, in this video, I am going to talk about top 20 Scopus indexed journal for English language research. So here I think many of your English faculty members, they are struggling. So they are preferring journals like MLA indexed list. So now I am coming with top 20 Scopus indexed journal. So this Scopus indexed journal I am arranging based on the site score. So you know Scopus indexed journal always have a site score. Based on the site score I arranged it. Top 25 I selected. That means the top site score it will be at first, low site score it will be at the bottom. So among this list we have a few of the journal with the impact factor and social science citation indexed journals also. So based on your ability, I mean some beginner researcher, you can select the journal from bottom. If any journal theme of the journal match with your research area, you can select. Some experienced researcher, you can come from the top, so that you will have a higher site score, higher impact factor, like that. So now let us go to my PowerPoint presentation now. Friends, those who are doing research in English language, I mean English teacher does not have any language related problems, whereas engineering faculty members like me, so I need support from English faculty, so that you don't have any problem with related to the language related issues, so that you can able to refer any article, and language correction also you can do it by yourself. So this is the one of the big advantage for you. And another important motivation for you is this top 20 Scopus indexed journal. So majority are comes under teaching English. So this COVID-19 season, it given a lot of insight on the modern teaching, the teaching scenario, everything has been changed. So now what to do is, so if you have those who are doing research or not doing any research also, you can conduct some case studies. You can submit papers to these journals. So now I go to the first journal in my list is English for specific purpose. So this journal ISSN number it is given because there is a confusion. One particular journal having with a very slight word difference, it is available. So I am giving with ISSN number, so that gives the clarity. So this journal belongs to Elsewhere publisher. This journal consists of 3.9 site score. So this journal it is a social science citation index. So engineering and science faculty member, they have a SCE. But English faculty like you is, your indexing is social science citation index. So whenever the social science citation index comes, definitely you have an impact factor. So impact factor for this journal is 2.612. So here this particular journal, the theme of the journal is topics such as the perspective of English for specific purpose, second language, acquisition of specialized context, needs assessment, curriculum development and evaluation, material preparation, disclosure analysis. So this kind of variety of topic, English and mainly focusing on teaching. So these two areas are integrated. So that teacher like you, it is a very interesting topic. You can prepare article and you can submit to this journal. So experienced researcher, you can prefer this journal. This is the highest site score along with the 2.6 impact factor. It is a good journal. So if I go to second journal in my list is Journal of English for academic purpose. So that ISSN number also given in the slide. Again this publisher also comes under Elsewhere publisher. The site score for this journal is 2.8. Impact factor is 1.893. This journal also social science citation index. So this particular journal, they are accepting articles from linguistic, applied linguistic and educational topics may be treated from the perspective of English for the academic purpose. These includes classroom language, teaching methodology, teacher education, assessment of language, needs analysis, material development and evaluation, disclosure analysis. So this kind of topics. So these are all English as well as teaching, both are combined together. So if anybody have an article in this area, you better try this. Otherwise, if anybody interested to do research on this area also, so you can able to find out the targeted journal. So my video it will help you to find out the targeted journal for your research. So if you go to third research in the teaching of English. So this journal ISSN number it is available. Publisher for this journal is National Council of Teachers of English. Site score for this journal is 2.5. Impact factor is 1.818. This journal also indexed by Social Science Citation Index. So this particular journal, the theme is they are accepting the original research article and short scholarly essays on the wide range of topics significant to those concerned with the teaching and learning of language and literacy around the world. So here they are very clearly given. Suppose research articles are not there, you can go for a scholarly essay also. Scholarly essay also you can submit. They will accept. If it is from English and teaching, so they will accept. So this journal also have a good site score and 1.8 impact factor. So it is good to go with. Next I go to fourth journal in my list is College English. That ISSN journal also available. This College English, I think many links are there, so that you need not confuse. I am giving ISSN number also, it is available. Publisher for this journal is National Council of Teacher of English. Site score for this journal is 2.4. Already I said these are all Scopus Index journal, all are having site score. But this particular College English journal does not index in Social Science Citation Index, so that there is no impact factor for this journal. However, it is a good journal for the beginners. Good journal, lack of impact factor, but whereas site score is very good, that you need to look at. So this particular journal accepting the articles about literature, rhetoric, composition, critical theory, creative writing theory, pedagogy, linguistic, literacy, reading theory, pedagogy and professional issues related to the teaching of English. So teaching English teacher, it is a very good topic. So beginner, you can try with this journal. So definitely you will get you will get acceptance. So if I go to fifth journal, Journal of English has a lingua franca. So this journal ISSN number it is given. So publisher for this journal is Walter T. Gruyter. Site score is 2.1. This journal also there is no social science citation index, but they have emerging source citation index. That means this journal within 1 or 2 years they are going to get the social science citation index. So this particular journal they are accepting the articles. Other features explore this global phenomenon from the worldwide number of perspectives, including linguistic, socio-linguistic, socio-psychological and political in a diverse range of setting where English is the common language of choice. So this is also another interesting topic, but you don't think that this journal not having social science citation index, but it is another 1 or 2 years definitely they will get it. If you are applying for Web Science indexing, so first they will give emerging source citation index, then they will go for social science citation index. So even if you are publishing article, after that also you will get your social science citation index. So if I go to sixth journal in my list is Journal of English Linguistic. So publisher for this journal is Sage. Site score is 1.6. Impact factor is 0.962. So this journal indexed by Social Science Citation Index. So this journal publishes synchronic and diachronic studies on subject from Old and Middle English to Modern English, grammar, corpus linguistic and dialectology. Other topics such as language contact are stylish or acceptable if article focus on English language. So this topic, if it is focused, the main focus of your paper is English, definitely they will accept. So if I go to seventh journal, teaching English with technology. So this is the open access journal. The ISSN open access journal means EISSN number. So ISSN number it is available. So this publisher is IATEFL Poland. Site score for this journal is 1.6. So this journal seeks to disseminate cutting-edge work focused mainly on use of technology in TESOL. That means teaching English to speakers of other language. So anybody doing research in this area, so this is a very good journal. Though it is not a Web of Science index, but you have a Scopus indexing with the very good score of very good site score of 1.6. So if you go to journal number 8 in my list is English in Education. So this English in Education also, if you check in websites, So 2 to 3 another website will come. So this channel website I picked from that. So that for avoiding confusion, I am giving the ISSN number also. It is available in this slide. Publisher for this journal is Taylor and Francis. Site score for this journal is 1.3. The impact factor is 0.625. So this journal also indexed by Social Science Citation Index. So this journal publishes the research-based article and short creative pieces that provide information, reflection on English teaching of English within the school, college and higher education curriculum. Any level. So school teacher, college teacher or a teacher, those who are teaching for higher education students, that means PG students, so everyone. So the focus is, it may be any area. But important thing is the reflection. So reflection on teaching of English. So this is important. So anybody doing research in this area, better you can pick this journal. So this journal having very good site score along with the impact factor of 0.625. So if I go to journal number 9 in my list is English text construction. So ISSN number it is given. So publisher for this journal is John Benjamin Publishing Company. Site score for this journal is 1.3. So this journal also about to get the indexing of Social Science Citation Index. So after getting Social Science Index Citation Index, you will get the impact factor. So now they are at the beginning stage, emerging source citation index. So this journal they are accepting English linguistics, accepting papers in the topics of English linguistics, applied linguistics, and literary studies focusing on the communicating subject and text constructing, this inter-subject communication. So those who are doing research, you better add this journal. So next, if you go to 10th one, English worldwide. So ISSN number it is given. Publisher also same again, John Benjamin Publishing Company. Site score is 1.3. Impact factor for this journal is 0.583. This journal is indexed with the Social Science Citation Index. The focus of the journal is the scholarly discussions of new findings in the dialectology and the socio-linguistic of English-speaking communities, native and second language speakers. So anything it will be accepted. So those who are doing research in this area, you can select this. Friends, now we come to journal number 11 in my list is English language and linguistics. ISSN number it is available. Publisher for this journal is Cambridge University Press. Site score is 1.2. Impact factor is 0.5. This journal also indexed by Social Science Citation Index. So this journal focus on description of English language within the framework of contemporary linguistics. This journal is concerned equally with the synchronic and diachronic aspects of English language studies. So those who are doing research in these two topics, so it is a very good journal for you. So if I go to journal number 12, English Today. So English Today also, if you go to website, if you are searching, so there are a lot of links are available on the English Today name. So that for avoiding confusion, I am giving the ISSN number. It is available here. Publisher for this journal is Cambridge University Press. Site score is 1.2. Impact factor is 0.645. This journal also Social Science Citation Index. So this English Today journal provides accessible to cutting edge reports on all aspects of language, including style, usage, dictionaries, literacy language, plain English, the internet and language teaching in terms of British, American and other world, many other English, other Englishes. So they are accepting British English, American English and world's many other English. So those who are doing research in this area, so it is a very good journal to publish your paper. If you go to 13, English Historical Review. So this journal ISSN number it is given. So the publisher for this journal is Oxford University Press. Site score is 0.9. The impact factor for this journal is 0.618. This journal is Social Science Citation Index. So this journal they are publishing original and exciting research related to all parts of the world and all forms of historical inquiry from the classical era onwards. So this channel also history along with English. So both are doing, anybody doing research or your theme of your research coinciding with this theme, you can publish your paper. If I go to 14th, English teaching, practice and critique. So English teaching separate available, English teaching, practice and critique. So this is the journal name. Sometimes some indexing body they are giving practice and critique that was not available. So for avoiding confusion, I am giving ISSN number, you can refer. Publisher for this channel is Emerald. Site score for this channel is 0.9. Impact factor is 0.648. So this channel also social science citation index. So this channel seeks to promote research and theory related to English literacy that is grounded in a range of contexts like classrooms, schools and wider educational constituency. The channel has its main focus of English teaching in L1 setting. So if I go to channel number 15, English Australia. So this ISSN number, it is available, you can check. Publisher for this channel is Australian Association for the Teaching of English. Site score for this channel is 0.8. Impact factor is 0.25. This channel also social science citation index. They are accepting article in three major area. One is the reviewed article outlining innovative research into classroom practice or theoretical discussion of classroom practice. And another category is article largely for teachers in classroom talk. And the third category is review of current print and online resources for teacher trainer and academic manager. So anybody doing research in this area, better you can pick this channel. It is a very good channel for you. So if I go to 16, changing English. Again, the changing English also, while putting the keyword in Google window, many links will come. So for avoiding all confusion, I am giving ISSN number also, it is available. Publisher for this journal, Changing English, is Taylor and Francis. Site score for this journal is 0.7. So this journal, it is the beginning of social science citation index, so that not having impact factor now, but another 1 or 2 years they will get it. But this journal having emerging source citation index. This journal aims to encourage international dialogue between teachers and researchers and to support teacher and schools on issues surrounding literacy and language. If I go to journal number 17, International Journal of English Studies. So this is an open access journal, ISSN number it is given. Publisher for this journal is Universidad de Murcia. Site score is 0.7. This journal also emerging source citation index. And this journal seeks to reflect the newest research in the general field of English studies like English language and linguistic, applied English linguistic, literature in English, cultural studies of English speaking countries. So those who are doing research in this area, better you can go to this journal. Next I go to journal number 18, European Journal of English Studies. Publisher for this journal is Taylor and Francis. Site score is 0.6, impact factor is 0.2. This journal social science citation index. So this journal, they are accepting the articles in the work of highest quality in the English literature, linguistic, cultural studies from the multidisciplinary and multicultural perspective that characteristics the study English in Europe. So next I go to the journal number 19, Journal of English as an International Language. So here ISSN number it is given, you can check it. Publisher for this journal is ELE Publishing. Site score for this journal is 0.6. This journal there is no other citation except Scopus indexing. So it is a very good journal for the beginners. So this is a wide ranging field examining how language teaching and learning is structured, how meaning and ideas are formed and encoded, how they are communicated and represented, and how they are decoded and interpreted. It is a developing social science discipline which is increasingly reaching across into the other disciplinary area. So look at that, this journal, they are covering many themes. So anybody, your research area is coincide with this particular theme, you can submit your papers to this journal. So next I go to the last journal in my list is English Teaching and Learning. ISSN number it is given. So this journal is publisher is Springer Nature. Site score is 0.5. This journal is emerging source citation index, that is awaiting for social science citation index and the impact factor. This journal welcomes submission on course design, teaching material, teacher training, teaching method, language assessment, bilingual education, as well as from the fields of socio-linguistic, psycho-linguistic and other related area. Friends, with this I am representing one thing, I don't have any contact with English teacher. I am not a member of any English teachers group in WhatsApp and email. So that I am expecting your support to forward this particular video to all the English teachers, those who are doing research, or this particular journal theme, if they are going through the theme. So then what happened? Which one they are feeling easy, that area they can start the research and then they can publish. So this particular COVID-19 situation, so there are a lot of new things brought, new challenges you are facing. So from the COVID-19 situation, you select one problem. You select one problem in English teaching, and you prepare a manuscript and submit. Easily you can get acceptance. So again, I am repeating one thing, and beginners, you go with simply Scopus indexed journal or Scopus indexed journal with emerging source citation index. Otherwise, in the researcher, those who are doing research are in somewhat experienced teachers, I mean researchers, you can go with, you try for good site score along with impact factor. So, friends, with this video, with this, I am concluding the present video, and I will meet in next video with a very interesting topic. So, thanks for watching.